In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on this Audi S4. This is going to be located underneath the cowl on the passenger side. Let's get into it. If your vehicle has a cover right here, you want to take that cover off. This vehicle does not. There's a weather strip right here. I'm just going to pull that back, peel that off. Just grab the cover, pick it up, slide it out. There's two tabs on the front of this cover. Just push on those tabs, lift up, and pull this off. You can see the filter right here. Just grab the filter, pull it up, and it comes right out. Now take the filter, line it up, and push it down in place. Take the cover, line the cover up, and lock the two tabs in. Put the cover on. Push that down in place. Weather stripping. Get this lined up. Secure that down, and if your vehicle had the cover there, you want to put the cover back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.